Greetings from the Grand Canyon. Big Boy 705 here with this vid. Pretty beautiful afternoon with the rolling thunderstorm around Page, Arizona. Northeast. This guy is so angry out there. Pretty beautiful afternoon. I wish that rain that can come here to the canyon and hopefully to give us more cool air. That would be nice. Well, up here I would say it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit because I don't have my weather monitoring system in my phone, so that's what I would estimate it. Oh, there was a lightning strike somewhere. Wait for it. Saw that? You might hear some close thunder, but the storm is too far. Sounds like your car space. Pretty impressive views, eh? One of the world's most visited places. More music coming on your way. Thank you all folks for watching that video. If you are in the canyon, please enjoy safely. If you're not, you should go see it one day. For those who haven't been there, so I would recommend you. Please be safe, everybody, especially in this stormy day. Peace.